really fucking good at it!
Hey, yeah, well, you gotta make money while you're
not destroying my game!
Oh, pick up while you can.
Dad!
Pick up while you can.
Please!
Don't move.